In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, opportunities are everywhere. Prices can soar in minutes and fortunes can be made overnight. But as quickly as they rise, they can fall. That's why in this video, we're going to be talking about the most critical strategy in crypto investing, and that's taking profits. You've heard the stories. Someone bought Bitcoin at 1,000 and watched it rise to 60,000. But here's the catch. Those gains are only real when you have them locked in. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, waiting on prices to go even higher. But remember, what goes up can come down. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and waiting too long to take profits can turn potential gains into losses. Taking profits is about securing your financial growth. It doesn't mean you have to sell everything, but just enough to ensure you're not leaving your hard-earned gains to chance. I know. You ready to get down to the strategies. One strategy is to set price targets. And all that simply means is you deciding in advance at what price you will sell a portion of your holdings. But let's take a look at some ways you can get some realistic target prices. To get this data, we'll be using a crypto chart in TradingView. TradingView has a chart for almost any crypto coin, and this process will work for any of them. But for this example, we'll be taking a look at Ethereum. Find the fib retracement tool, then find the all-time high of the previous cycle and drag it down to the low in the bear market. Here are the number in percentage points and price points on the way up from the bottom. You can also grab the price tool and drag it up, and it will show you the percentage in profit from your entry point. 100% will be a 1x, 200% will be a 2x, 300% will be a 3x, and so on and so on. And at your entry point, you can see the potential of how many times your money can double for whatever your target prices are. The 236, the 23% level, the 382, the 38% level, the 50% level, the 618, the 61% level, the 786, the 78% level, and the 100% level if you believe the coin will make it back to its all-time high. Beyond the 100% levels, you have price discovery, which these levels can absolutely be reached in a parabolic bull run. So you can use any of these levels to help you decide when to start taking profits. Once you decide when you want to take profits, you will want to create a sales schedule to help you DCA out of the market. For example, you will want to take 10% of your holdings and sell it at one price. You will want to take 25% of your holdings and sell it at another price, 75% of your holding when it reaches another price, and 100% of your holdings when it reaches another price. This helps takes emotions out of the equation, so you're not chasing tops and selling at the bottom. This sales scheduling strategy will help you effectively DCA out of the market. Another approach is the 50-50 rule, selling half of your position when it doubles. This way, you recoup your initial investment and let the rest ride risk-free. But with that house money, it's still important to set target prices to help you DCA out of the market. To wrap everything up with a bow, you want to make sure that you have multiple exchanges that you use when it comes to taking profits. Because in a bull market, when the market is hot and everybody is trying to take their profits, the exchanges become crowded and congested, and it becomes difficult to get anything on or off the exchanges. Taking profits is not about missing out. It's about managing risk and ensuring that your investments are working for you. Remember, the market will always have opportunities, but your gains today are only real if you secure them. So take those profits, protect your assets, and set yourself up for long-term success. Be smart and take profits, and your future self will thank you. So I hope this information helps as you continue on your investing journey. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I believe if you can get one foot in, you have a chance to win. Peace.